Hello. Um, si si 244 days ka na ko prelims ke na hawra se question khotba masi ki na masi bigan ten sidagi de chang na no na zara again video number 10 se question khotba ko question khotba se amang na video hum su video mari 4 video 4 su na video 9 subobugi ta leiriba potsingdo adudo ai question 60 mu khotkani 60 mu khotba se pung kya changi yengsi ko hujikti time limit thamgibam si but time gido kya changi ye adu yengsi ko aduda ai around 40 minutes adai bo midang ngamudran khale 60 question ne ko UPSC federal da ado aina pazagi ba saruk tagi oina lokthoga tawjari ni aduna pazagi ba saruk tagi lothopani na ayama ngamdaba mali aduga PYQ sina mo polity se lawyer e hire kan PYQ se polity gi pulap pun amuk tawse ko maina se aduga mo ko adu huziki oina di aina pazari bisno focus tawse natragadi PYQ do paro taragadi PYQ di khot pangamdaba question ko khot loidaba question punto kadaba question je dum yawidana adudana moido pa leirinaida amo aigi target se ngamoyba yoba adudana aina hꯧꯖꯤꯛ target ꯊꯝꯃꯤꯁꯦ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯊꯪꯒꯤ ꯃꯟ ꯑꯍꯨꯝ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯅꯕꯦꯝꯕꯔ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯁꯦꯞꯇꯦꯝꯕꯔ ꯑꯣꯛꯇꯣꯕꯔ ꯅꯕꯦꯝꯕꯔ ꯁꯤꯐꯥꯎꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯄꯣꯂꯤꯇꯤꯁꯦ ꯂꯣꯏꯁꯤꯟꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯦꯠ ꯊꯝꯃꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯁꯤꯐꯥꯎꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯄꯣꯂꯤꯇꯤꯁꯦ ꯂꯣꯏꯁꯤꯟ ꯉꯝ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯤꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯔꯦ ꯍꯣꯔꯦꯟ ꯅꯨꯡꯊꯤꯟꯗꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯏꯊꯤꯛꯁꯁꯨ ꯑꯩ ꯇꯧꯒꯦꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯤ ꯏꯊꯤꯛꯁꯁꯦ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯤ ꯑꯣꯞꯁꯅꯦꯜꯁꯦ ꯂꯣꯏꯔꯛꯑꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯁꯕꯖꯦꯛꯁꯤꯡꯁꯨ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯏꯟꯁꯤꯜꯂꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯔꯅꯤ ꯌꯦꯡꯁꯤꯀꯣ ꯂꯦꯠ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯥꯔꯠ ꯀꯣꯏꯁꯟꯁꯦ ꯀꯌꯥꯝ ꯈꯨꯝꯕ ꯉꯝꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯌꯦꯡꯁꯤ ꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯦꯞꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯆꯥꯠ ꯖꯤꯄꯤꯇꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯁꯦꯝꯃꯒ ꯇꯛ ꯂꯥꯎꯅ ꯁꯤꯗꯩꯗ ꯍꯥꯞꯆꯤꯜꯂꯛꯄꯅꯤ ꯀꯣꯏꯁꯟꯁꯦ ꯁꯣꯏꯔꯝꯕ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯁꯣꯏꯔꯝꯗꯕ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯑꯣꯔ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯁꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯕꯛ ꯑꯩ ꯃꯇꯝꯁꯦ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯥꯔꯠ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯒꯦ ꯍꯧꯔꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯨꯂꯞ ꯅꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯇꯧꯒꯦꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯏꯀꯣ ꯀꯩꯁꯨ ꯀꯥꯏꯗꯦ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯍꯩꯕ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯍꯩꯇꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯀꯩꯝ ꯂꯩꯇꯦꯀꯣ ꯖꯁ ꯑꯩꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯄꯥꯔꯨꯕꯗ ꯁꯤꯌꯔ ꯇꯧꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯐꯥꯕ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯀꯣꯛꯇ ꯅꯤꯡꯁꯤꯡꯕꯗꯣ ꯈꯛꯇꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯁꯤꯗꯩꯗ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯇꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯅꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯁꯤ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯁꯤ ꯂꯦꯠꯁ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯥꯔꯠ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯍꯧꯔꯦ 5 start stop it all fair it's okay 1 2 1 2 시즈도 나도 시작 페이지 오케이 이렇게 nomination도 떠오르게 떠오르니 the British government 되고 이렇게 시도 좀 이걸 좀 이걸 해서 떠오르게 yes negative response to as the customer assembly like cabinet mission plan cabinet mission plan consideration it consists of sovereignty taken over in after independence. Okay, Tunisian. No, 31 October. Sunday. I love that point. Can something such one this can lie as a beginning business and like upper middle class. So may I say 1, 2, 3, defense, external affairs, public health and care, revolution. 1, 2, 3 पैसा काटने का 1, 2, 3 no directly elected Lal confused about Lal system. This is wrong. It continued to exist with John Monsignor Sinapati legal advisor Nico BN House Roma Season Provision of Season to the provision of parliaments and Provision Senate 1, 2, 3. The first temporary chairman of the constituency before election. Temporary chairman of the Constituent Assembly. Yes. Temporary dominate the paradigm of the princely was neglected to the it was placed on other princess it is dominated by one party. Okay. The number of articles considered 365, 395. Chumdoi. Strong locally. Federal College Substitution has jurisdiction over most of the current only appellant jurisdiction in certain cases. Advisory original appellant jurisdiction, no jurisdiction only original jurisdiction in this particular situated Malay. It's not a features of government of India. Government of provincial autonomy. The bigger bicameralism at the center. Towning the Taraman failed the organization establishment of federal public sanction journalism guarantee of Nandera. Not a features of an not a features. The bicameral center legally failed the organization. Not higher the scene of such an regarding the has the people in which innocent parties that later boycotted. Germany princely settlers fully represented from the beginning. Muslim League initially participated but later boycotted Germany. Okay, 2-1, 3-1. Objective resolutions in the assembly later on the basis of the framework was introduced. The next day, the vice president Narendra Kumar Mukherjee Office of the Governor Junior Federal and Provincial Junior Public Service Commission Junior Emergency Protection Junior Dragon still when being almost limited to the drafting committee. Now that it is handling the film of the right now for the even 49 July 1948 1948 the voting the draft for 1948 1948 28 was adoption and the constitution. Okay, it will be someone like political support of the constitution. The adoption was failed because of the blind princes and the election was postponed due to partition. 그러면 unanimously currently means support of the video we can see the latter to the system. The Constitution Assembly of India functions also as the parliament central legislative, central legislative, first Lok Sabha, council of state, preamble of the Constitution of India was enacted by British Parliament through the British Parliament Constitution Introduction Committee report. After the adoption of yes, when preamble of this was enacted adoption of the Constitution Assembly in Provincial Parliament in 1950 Jumbe Male. Provincial Parliament preambles in Givana. Preambles a corner with the after the adoption of the Constitution Assembly the go with labor. It is Jumbe. Constitution adopted over the Constitution Assembly is a provincial parliament. Another government Defense, examiners, travel areas, finance, 1 to 4, Union Power Committee, Fundamental Rights Subcommittee, Steering Committee, na. Advisory Committee, na. Total Shinjiga Fundamental Rights Committee, Union Powers Committee, Fundamental Rights Subcommittee, KM Munshi Mali, KM Munshi Mate. KM Munshi is the advisor, the legal advisor. Maximum opposition and debate. Fundamental rights. Federal structure. Number of women members in the constitution was about 15, 11. Guess this one Article number 5 President of India continuance of law law Fibulay Chundamane 1, 2, 3, 4 Originally Hindi English Hindi so Hindi Urdu English Hindi was not say minutes 16 minutes 16 minutes 16 minutes answering scam language question number 1A 2B 3C 4 3B 4 is in A 5 5B 6 6 6C 7 B को 8 7 8 C 9 D को 10 C 10 C over 10 C देखिए 11 C 11 C 12 12 12 dana A और 13 dana C 14 dana A देखिए 15 dana B 16 dana D C 17 dana A 18 dana D 19 dana C 20 20 dana B 20 dana B 21 dana C 22 dana D 23 dana B 24 dana C 20 25 dana B 26 dana C 27 dana C 28 B 29 A 30 30 check करिए the preamble resonated by D 30 D 31 dana 31 dana B 32 dana 32 से A हो जाएगा 33 dana C 34 dana B 35 dana 35 dana D 36 dana 36 dana D 37 dana B 38 dana C 39 dana 40 dana B. Okay, these are my answers. Please check it and explain the wrong ones. Okay. Ay lali, akong lali, bali mga tarip lali, tarip, mama. Kasi hindi ko siniyam lali, 75 pass. Government of India, एक दिया लali kamain tayo no. Yes, ko. Question number 1. Question number 1, हमारा लाल है सही है. Question number 1, हमारा लाल है सही. Government of India, एक defense monetary Question number 1, set 1, question 1, B 어디다가 쓰기가 B 어디다가 1, 2, 4 나오더라고. establishment 떠우리 fail 이기는 럭토끼는 떠우리 마도 all in the federation 떠우리 그가 fail 이기는 럭토끼는 그 one 아이는 좀 맨 컬스 많아 4 okay 슈가이드 네 여러가지고 가는 군다에다가 adagi directly was introduced central federal provincial level ऐसे करेगी ना colony से why أنا سيدي C أنا بيجي هنا ما إذا عندي أنا بيجي AI إذا عندي ولا question number 11 17 question 17 question 17 question number 17 से कदम वही 17 से कदम वही temporary chairman से 17 से B वगैरह सचिदानंद से बेरा ने question number 3 ये 21 24 24 24 24 से अगस्त ना था 1947 अगस्त ना था 24 A December 1946 था okay fast हो रही है okay जो नंबर से देखिए 27B 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 1940 and 1947 में आपको कहीं में being around समय तो है बाकी नहीं से माँ किसी नाम में मार गए कभी नहीं मार किसी को मनी देगा हो रही ब्रह्मा किसी को AI से कहीं में तो पर मनी देगा हो रही मार गए 39 B 39 B 39 B ये लोग मनी नस्ल समय में जहान है ना चंबल से वो जहान है ना I am check over there. अदगी 36 तना 36 तना keys B होगा 2 ज़्यादा present person ना तो adoption of the considerations president ना तो कोई president ना तो भी बनाना है 35 B होगा और continuation of the laws season logo होगा B होगा cuma saya main sih 35 34 33 selama 33 से कहीं 33 से B language of the union okay sudah dibilang na yan ako hazard ako ang nakay like 3 like 4 like 3 the so yan bali kasi 30 primary consonants initiated by 30 D native ko senior ice constitution okay constitution really constitutional assembly na enact होता तो याव रही preamble रही कंसर्न ना वो preamble रही constitutional assembly ना constitution को तो बोले तो याव रही है तो सिखन में आता वो 30 27 강나도 라 이거 많이 들었었는데 चुम्मदा है question 75 chỉ đi à vậy đó là đi ăn đó okay chúng ta hay sẽ kan okay atopa question kun namaga tawgi ko kano ki this na kano di wala okay this na kano gi wala question consideration in a constitution the question kun jinga tawgi ke and then consideration okay or so let's start okay so now 1 2 countries that are actually ngawin militarized emergency ako residential power the single constitution 1 2 3 1 2 3 independent judiciary the USA ito na mati federal the longest written constitution was kept out in a maintain brevity ito di kept autonomy administrative provision kept autonomy detail having the detail di tau gitu dan ada option gitu itu na hilang one fundament emergency provision as subsidy kano din na Germany over the fundamental right to emergency provision matamda kakatpa halne emergency provision the Germany digi natte ito na 1 2 3 sure din ko season nadi ma constitution amendment nito judicial review established by Lord Jimmy during the autopsy Germany etc. 1 2 3 okay with reference to the municipal constitution of the reference to the division of power federation of states federation of state union of state no establish a dual polity with clear division of power from the for strong center weak state structure we have the data is similar to 1 and 3 this one is not true about the investigation no true analysis entirely American Constitution suppose on strict line the nothing the parliamentary sovereignty is nothing want to you chung haragadi hoi American gi sisina chung ya 2 ga 3 ga not true avenue ita sila sila halos ita di 1 3 4 1 3 4 Framers of the Constitution deliberately include the administrative provision to provide European amendments. Emergency principle tilts the consideration more towards judiciary system. Independent judiciaries. Yeah, no. So one of the following is more accurately describe the Indian constitutions. Okay. It is a unitary constitution with small places in the hierarchy. Then which of the following provisions is from both parliamentary from government प्रतिस्कीम या judiciary reviews या judiciary reviews से हम सब लगभग single citizens another rights another as a US with the single citizenship to the United States nothing UK then is UK then judiciary review the kind of the nothing judiciary review से Canada Kurate up to okay see what rigid features article 6 368 say consider rigid features simple beginning rigid features are available 352 unitary features 326 demographic features contrast rigid features and flexible features to the analysis only two federal features supremacy of the constitution single integrated judiciary division of power bicameralism division of power bicameralism supremacy of the constitution federal feature and constitution this supremacy over judiciary supremacy over the three the four of the na single integrated judiciary USA United States the union unitary I think then the rest of the following is are considered federal features. Okay, 2, 3. Integrated judiciary system. Single supremacy of the constitution. Supremacy of the constitution. Constitutional supremacy. India the federal features have the India features the supremacy of the constitution. But unitary features or the supremacy of the constitution. As 3, 4 खत्म हो जाऊंगा possible integrated judiciary है ताकि unitary ना तो federal features ना तो single integrated tu याव ना वो कोता ने tu ini prana ne si sumalis my option ni the going number 1 3 4 in the context of Indian constitution of the previous was a reason for calling it quasi-federal. Federal tangkhayan calling it quasi-federal emergency provision सिर्फ पूरा यूनिटरी करेक्टर है सिर्फ अलग क्वेश्चन नहीं माने correct and then features are surveys for the government in India and supervision by generation to the supervision federal structure with strong center going about 1 2 3 4 so one real Which one of the following reflects both unitary and federal features simultaneously? Unitary features, federal features simultaneously. The article number 30, article number 32. Parliamentary power to organize state. Federal features Mali, unitary features Mali. Suita. Consider to be in the doctrine of separation of power in strict sense. Strict sense. Second, balance among the three organs, sovereign in the same sense, and This is the correct one, two only has a balance. So strict sense, then the doctrine of separation of powers. I can list because I know the exemption, but okay. Then it's not like that the 1 3 1 to 2 the out two only the data strict sense the idea nowhere to the best the consideration of simple majority so there is certain constant one to the much parliamentary sovereignty is the parliament one of same is one of the parliamentary sovereignty of the UK the resource sovereignty okay like 20, 30 minutes of time or 30 minutes 30 minutes ang question 60 kasi di ka speech to galing bulan kasi ang yawi sa pati sistema ka sector kisi sorry one sepin two sepin three z three z three z a three z a four z e five z c six z D 7 से C 8 से B का देखिए 9 से A 10 से A 11 से B 12 B 13 gì đây ạ? Phải ngó 13 से A 14 15 C 16 D 17 A 18 B 19 D 20 B. Check my answer for this. Okay. Magic. Okay. Magic. You got it right, guy. Yes, it's like to wear the correct 3 chumel, 4 chumel, 5 chumel, 6 chumel, 7 chumel. Okay. Question number 8 line. Question number 8 line. 8 line. Chicken wing analysis. It's wrong or both to strict separation wrong. To strict line of American and wrong. It establishes parliamentary sovereignty. Parliamentary sovereignty wrong. So that so this is wrong. Okay. 4 wrong. 1 3 कोई AI 풀었거든요. 1, 2 거든요. 좀 1, 3, 4 이러네. 1 and 3 A something. Sama 9. AI jam lal ko 9 A 10 A chumne. Nang wrong ai do la di mo 11 B कोई 11 B 얘는 B 거 करेगा सारे C है single citizenship. Okay. Judiciary review jadi kan ada law itu nak single citizenship. Okay. Nên chỉ có chờ có riêng là có năng anh la thì không là cái chỉ có chờ này. Ama la là hồi cái 14 chỉ nên phải 13 chỉ chuẩn bị đi ba 13 A cái này sao? 예, 13 chỉ chuẩn bị đi ba 14 naman 14 करेंगे सारे C हो गए dual citizenship से कौन सी फीचर लेना तो dual citizenship से पूरा कहीं भी हो जाएगा सिस्टम देखो why did I delete it so I know what was in a chumban emergency provision ani shure landa emergency provision against the provision quasi federal okay quasi federal oirakpadune hani literally federal oirakpadune ko aduna emergency tawrakana katang federal oirapanina quasi federal oirakpada challine okay 17 guruji yanda 17 so the scene consideration and procedures unitary and federal okay I accept it is it just federal structure and the unitary structure and the constitution amendment procedures are among so flexible or among so rigid way constitution amendment procedures pra unitary federal reflect the saman yan here okay beta the question mari landa ama ani ahum landa sorry 20 the ahum landa di हम हाता है 20 the ahum landa is 85% 75% saman okay that's it for today hayang se mo preamble tawra hayang preamble tawra se preamble class ani tawra dum yani preamble loraga kano tawra se state and union territories ko ang mga class sige sila thank you so much